Hi, today I'd like to talk about these little guys here. These are ceramic beads that have been baked to about 1,000 degrees centigrade, and the original ceramic mixture was filled with Microbz. Now we sell this particular product here to keep farm troughs in for animals, keep those troughs free of building up of algae, keep the water fresh. So obviously a lot of people ask us and go, well, you know, obviously if you put Microbz in there and you bake it to 1,000 degrees, the Microbz are dead, so how can they affect the water after you add the beads to the water? And I think for that we just need to go back and look at a little bit of science and recognize everything on this planet, even the mountains and the rocks, everything vibrates, nothing is solid. I mean, they certainly look solid, but they don't. Everything is built of atoms. Atoms are only space, and so they're vibrating. Things are going around and up and down and all that kind of stuff. So there's a natural vibration to everything. And obviously when you add the Microbz to the ceramic clay before you bake them, it changes the frequency, it changes the vibration in what appears to be a very beneficial way. Now, we'll show you this experiment, which we do by placing a nail in a saucer of water. And this you can do at home, just to run your own experiments. And you'll see after a period of time, after a few hours, that around that steel nail, there will be rust, because that's a natural process. You add water and air to steel and it just starts rusting. And you can see after a while the rust spreading out from the nail. Now we can then do a second saucer where we take two nails and put them parallel to each other, and down the middle of them we run a line of beads, and then we leave it. And then after a few hours, well, naturally the nails are rusting, but now watch and see what happens to the rust. The rust moves away from the beads. The beads seem to repel or transform the rust. And we believe that it affects the quality of the water, that it acts as obviously as an antioxidant, and also many other things. If you add beads to your washing and your washing machine, what it does is change the water. It reduces the surface tension of the water, making the water more easily, more soluble, so products dissolve more easily in it, so you don't need so much detergent to achieve the same amount of wash. Equally for human beings, if you put it in the jug overnight when you have drinking water, you put the beads in there, the beads will restructure the water. The water will taste much better the next morning. It's been structured, it's been revitalized, and it changes. Also, you can use them in purifying in swimming pools, in water courses, and there's so many examples of where these beads, ceramic beads, can make a big difference. How does it happen? Well, obviously it sets up some form of vibration. It reduces the size of the water clusters, which makes it more soluble. It reduces the surface tension, makes it more digestible, more easy to consume, to enter into your body, and things like that. So we really think it's a great product, and I understand enough and I've seen enough to know that it can make a significant change, a significant difference to water and water quality. Thank you.